but it wrinkled all in here. So this is not just gonna be no put a door on. This gonna need some work here. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video, man. I'm out here in front of Copart waiting for them to call me in the little queue thing. So might as well start the video off now so we can get straight into the content, straight into the cars. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel for your boy right now. Do it right now for your boy. Make sure you go to I thought that was it. Make sure you go to wehustledaily.com. You're interested in learning how to buy, sell, properly inspect cars. And there I go. And make sure, you know what I'm saying, y'all follow me on all social media platforms too. I had the question for y'all. Do y'all think, I know I done asked y'all a couple times, but still debating on it because I was on my way over here. I was like, damn, should I do it? Should I paint the brake calipers red on the Lexus? Let me know in the comments below. But let me get out and get out and get in. All right, guys, right in front of me, we got a 2018 Bmw 530i. 6,800 is the current bid on it. They value it at $30,591. 56,000 miles on it, run and drive. 6,800 is the current bid. So let's check this thing out. What do y'all think about this? Should we take a chance on something like this? Yes or no? Let's look at it. Two doors, of course. Gonna definitely need some work here. I had got a little bit of work done on my Lexus like that. Let me see. Here's the door. They got the door sealed shut. Come on. You gotta let this open. It won't open. Oh, there we go. Pull a little hard. All right. So, but as far as the post is looking right. Looking like it drives straight. We got some airbags that deployed. Okay. Man, what the hell is this? This airbag? Airbag got hella words on it. They was eating McDonald's. Does it got power? No power, unfortunately. Got your comfort sport, eco mode, okay. There go the seats. That one look like it's kind of like slumped down. So airbags also deployed on that side, but airbags did not deploy on the steering wheel. Look at my hands, they ashy, boy. Knuckles always ashy. Let's look at it again. E-drive. Let's see. Yeah, it look like it drives straight, y'all. 530. Oh, 530E. That mean this is gas hybrid or what? This side cool. Besides the airbag has deployed. Crank this joint up, man. E-drive though. What the hell is an E-drive? This seatbelt messed up. We're gonna have to take this to the seatbelt place, get that fixed. Probably that one over there. I gotta go back over there and look. Do got a sunroof. Got a little eye right there. This is some kind of hybrid or something. I have to use this to get it out the ditch. We got a hybrid going on. But with 56,000 miles, I doubt really anything's going on with this car, man. But as you can see by that, all that orange stuff, it is a hybrid. 6,800, like I say, is the current bid. Bmw 530E, not 530i, 530E. I don't know anything about BMW hybrids. What do y'all think about it? I like the little blue right there. wonder if this opens, you know? Like how it might open. That'd be pretty cool. I think one car does that. It might be this car, I don't know. But other than that, what do y'all think something like this would go for? 6,800. What's this? Oh, that's, yeah, man, it's really just that side. Doesn't look like I say, it needs any post work. I think just like the other car, man. Hold on. These is a little different. You got to take them off through here. These bolts right here, that one, because there's no way to take it off right here. So they actually come off right there, and right there. I'm guessing, and maybe even right here. Damn, I can't see. Probably have to bend this back. But what else do we got as far as after that? It's looking like need another one of these little what's these things called? Whatever this shit called. One of these. That screw came out a little bit right there. And this probably need to be pulled out a little bit too. Let me see. Oh, hold on. What y'all think about this one? Let me know in the comments below. Just got low miles on it. Let's see how much this thing will go for here. I kind of like it, y'all. But it is a hybrid though. But it's got so, you know, the miles is so low, I just figure like it won't be that bad. You don't, oh yeah, you do need a front door, my bad. So the front door also, take that bolt out, and I guess the bolts are here, man. These things are a little weird. See, it's a little there and here. So you probably can get something right here though to take this out. Yeah, you can get something right there and right there too. And these is what I was talking about. And these is what I was talking about. These bolts probably here come out as well. That one and that one. But again, we're looking at 2 doors. Goddamn airbags. I love the BMW lights. Damn, the airbag in the seat too, huh? But I feel like to get the car, like, this door though, the only thing that's, see that big gap in the door? But that may just be because it kind of smashed here. I gotta get this door open to really see what's going on right here, honestly. Oh, I ain't trying to mess up y'all tape too bad, y'all. No, y'all. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. There we go. Ooh, just lay it back right there like that. Ooh. Get on. Ooh. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. We gotta look at this without messing it all up. Damn. I'm just take this off. Put this piece right here. Ow. Try to say that. And then work on this piece here. Start from the back. Work my way to the front. Hold on, y'all. Hold up. Damn. Boy, this tape, boy. It be giving you hell, dog. Sheesh. And my hand's starting to hurt now. And this one got the glove on it. All right, man. It ain't gonna be perfect, y'all. about to just open it, man. Sorry, I gotta do what I gotta do. I'll put it back the best way I can. But I'm interested in it. I gotta look at it, gang. That's probably the angle I should have started from. Right there. This door's still not opening. Shit, it wasn't probably even a tape. There you go. There it is. There it is. So not only this, but it wrinkled all in here. So this is not just gonna be no put a door on. This gonna need some work here. All this is gonna need to be pulled out. If it had just been here, I would have been like, all right. But this is where the door actually closes at and go flush. So, yeah, man, you gotta look at everything, yo. Y'all think about this one, let me know in the comments below. But, Bmw 530E. I don't know about this, y'all. Pretty bad, but let me put this tape back on as best as I can get it. Be back with y'all in a sec. All right, now that that's back on, best way I can get it on, we got another one right here, 2013 Audi A4 Premium. The side of this one as well, 82,000 miles. They value this one at 14,000 because it's 13,999. 13,999. Let's see. What's the current bid on this? $800. Okay. Let's first look and see if we can drive straight. Looks like it. Let's see. Ooh. I think a body man probably could. That's the thing, man. I really need to learn this stuff and see how bad this stuff is, you know, how much work goes into doing something like this, because, you know, they probably hit it down with a hammer, boom, 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 pull this out. I'm just, you know, I don't know for sure. Pull this out, bow. You know what I'm saying? Pull this one out, kind of like how he did the Lexus a little bit. It wasn't this bad, of course. And right here, whoop, 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 pull that out, whoop. Pull that out, whoop. Fix this, da da da, hit that down bump, pull it out, ding, bang, 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 choo choo train. And then these got them damn star bolts too. I can put a new door on. Boy, big play, put a new door on, man. New door. Wetted this same color. And then we got an Audi A4. I don't really know too much about these cars, I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, this one got power, don't it? Yeah, see some lights going on it. Open the door, open the door, open the door, open the door. Hey, open the door, open the door, open the door. Oh, hey. Got the little trunk. Was it pushed to start somewhere? Nah. Looks like you gotta put the key. This thing, hold on. Ding. Ooh. Alright. Turn off car before leaving car. Discharging battery. Okay. Like it was a girl car. What y'all think about the Audi, man? Audi A4. Let's see if it goes straight. This one cranked up, of course. I don't think I'm gonna mess with the BMW, man. I'm gonna drive, right? Yeah, I am. It's not moving. Oh, y'all know how the Audis is. You probably gotta give it a little bit more. I don't like that. Took too much energy. I don't know. Maybe something's up under the car or something. Okay, he's driving a little straight. Maybe I just had to get over them rocks. Let me see. We in reverse. Someone got no backup camera, no nothing? Yeah, maybe some rocks right here that's causing it not to really go. I feel like it goes straight though. But let's get out the car and actually see what's going on here. Oh man. Let's see what we got here, man. Let's pop the trunk. Not the trunk, the hood. I thought of that song. I was thinking about that song, Bone Crusher. Pop the trunk. That's like the first thing that came to my mind, so that's why I said pop the trunk. Pop the hood. Oh god damn, this mug heavy. We got a turbo. Yeah. Got a little turbo, maybe that's why it's driving like that. Motor seemed good and everything. Let's see why it was. Damn, that hood heavy. Yeah, maybe it was like, let me see what's going on up under here. Oh! I don't really see nothing. You should get some color on them brake calipers. She probably didn't even have time to do it. Just got the rims. Just got them 20, no, what they is, 19. Oh, okay, I see this too. So the rim messed up too. I ain't crazy about this one. 19s. I ain't really crazy about the car, I guess, to even like want to fix it that much. But this is way better than the door already sagging a little bit. It's way better than the BMW though. Because if you close it, yeah, see, it's probably getting caught like right there. I ain't crazy about this one though, y'all. Not the Audi A4. Maybe if it was like a better one or something. I see what they go for though. They only at $800 right now. You'll see what they go for. But I'll turn this on. Push it in. Take it out. Push it in, take it out. Alright, y'all. Let me see what that one goes for though. I'll just keep my eye on it. Alright guys, so unfortunately that's it. Those two cars. It was a Tacoma, but all them cars are supposed to be right there in the same area. The Tacoma is not there, and I don't feel like looking for it. I ain't got enough clothes on today, honestly. But shouts out to the whole Hustle Nation again, man. I appreciate the love and support that all you guys give me, man. Appreciate the love and support from Copart, man. Love you guys. Appreciate everybody. I know that's not the truck. That's the truck. This might be the truck right here. Nah, hell no. I wouldn't this. Hell nah. Ooh. Oh, I thought it was painted. Nah, this not the one, but it looked just like this. It was front end damage. Ooh, definitely not the one. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation though. Appreciate you guys, love you guys. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray, man. I'm out of here.